CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Tuesday, May 12, 2009. CDTV.net covers dividend-paying stocks earnings reports, dividend announcements, and company profiles. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Fluor Corporation announced earnings per diluted share were $1.12 from 74 cents per diluted share for the same period last year. Analyst average estimates were 93 cents per share. Fluor Corporation beats by 19 cents. Net earnings rose 50% to $205 million, up sharply from $137 million in the first quarter of 2008. Strength in the oil and gas and government segments were the primary drivers of the profit growth over last year. Fluor Corporation designs, builds, and maintains many of the world's most challenging and complex projects. Energy Transfer Partners LP reported diluted net income per limited partner unit were $1.37 compared to $1.77 last year. Analyst average estimates were $1.38. Energy Transfer Partners misses by a penny. Net income totaled $307.2 million, a decrease of $21.2 million from last year. Energy Transfer Partners LP is a publicly traded partnership owning and operating a diversified portfolio of energy assets. Energy Transfer Equity LP reported diluted net income per limited partner were 68 cents compared to 57 cents last year. Energy Transfer Equity's net income increased $24.8 million from $151.5 million as compared to $126.7 million last year. The increase is due primarily to net unrealized losses on non-hedged interest rate derivatives recorded during the 3 months ended March 31, 2008. Energy Transfer Equity LP, through its general partnership interest in Energy Transfer Partners LP, engages in the natural gas midstream transportation and storage in the United States. Mindray Medical International Limited announced non-GAAP diluted earnings per share were 27 cents compared to 25 cents last year. Analyst average estimates were 25 cents per share. Mindray beats by 2 cents. First quarter 2009 net revenues were $134.2 million, an increase of 53.5% over the first quarter of 2008. Mindray Medical International Limited is a developer, manufacturer, and marketer of medical devices worldwide. And now, the dividend report. CKE Restaurants Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared a first quarter dividend of 6 cents per share to be paid on June 8 to its stockholders of record at the close of business on May 18, 2009. CKE Restaurants Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, owns, operates, franchises, and/or licenses quick service restaurants in the United States. Rockwell Automation Incorporated Board of Directors declared a quarterly dividend of 29 cents per share on its common stock, payable on June 10 to share owners of record at the close of business on May 18, 2009. Rockwell Automation Incorporated provides industrial automation power, control, and information solutions primarily in the United States. United States Steel Corporation Board of Directors declared a quarterly dividend of 5 cents per share, a decrease of 25 cents per share. The dividend is payable on June 10 to stockholders of record at the close of business on May 13, 2009. United States Steel Corporation, through its subsidiaries, engages in the production and sale of steel products primarily in North America and Europe. The Wyeth Board of Directors declared a dividend of 30 cents per share, payable on June 1st to stockholders of record at the close of business on May 13, 2009. Wyeth operates as a research-based pharmaceutical and healthcare company in the United States, the United Kingdom, and internationally. Micrel Incorporated Board of Directors has authorized a quarterly cash dividend of 3.5 cents per share, payable on May 27 to shareholders of record on May 13, 2009. Micrel Incorporated, doing business as Micrel Semiconductor, engages in the design, development, manufacture, and marketing of high-performance analog power integrated circuits, mixed signal, and digital ICs in North America, Europe, and Asia. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.